Hello everybody and welcome to a very miserable January. We're hoping to brighten up your January by talking about hyacinths. Hyacinths are kind of, well, we've decided that they're our flower of the month, hyacinths. They'll arrive in multiples of 25 when you buy them wholesale, and they come wrapped like so. So to condition them, when you take them out of the paper, you will actually find that they have been left with a certain amount of the bulb on the base. Now there is good reason for this. By keeping that little bit of bulb on the base, it will actually help them to condition and help them to actually develop properly. If you cut them to here, you're going to lose a certain amount of the development. It's not absolutely essential, but that does just help to keep them keep the nutrition going into the stem so that they do develop properly. So potentially all of the blooms will open. They will last, once conditioned, 5 to 7 days in water. Now the real benefit of hyacinth is obviously the amazing fragrance. They do come in a wide selection of colours. I've actually selected a mixed pack here, and we've got a good old selection actually. I kind of expected to get blues and whites, but they're all shades of pinks, peaches and lilacs. Not fully developed yet, but they will open up into beautiful colour tones. Now the reason why you'll find some of these are actually slightly taller than others is because I've had them wrapped like this for a couple of 3 days, and some of them have grown towards the light in the same way that tulips will do. Hyacinths do have a bit of a tendency to do that. So as I say, this is how they'll arrive in multiples of 25, wrapped in little sections of 5 and with the bulb on them. Now I'm going to take the bulbs off. I'm going to remove the lower leaves, and you can see exactly what I mean. They're still attached to the bulb at the base. Now obviously aesthetically that's not hugely pleasing, so when you're arranging I would always cut that off. Having said that, I would only do that after they've been conditioned for a few days. These have actually been in water like this for, I think, 3 days we've had them now. So yeah, so that's your hyacinths, that's how they come. As I say, they are beautifully fragranced. They do give a certain amount of sap out of the stem, similar to daffodils. They're not quite as toxic to other flowers as daffodils would be, so you can put hyacinths into water with other flowers without it killing the other flowers off. But I personally think hyacinths look absolutely beautiful in an arrangement on their own.